Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Webtoon comics for offline viewing. First of all, launch open the Webtoon application on your device and make sure that you are logged in. Once you are logged into the homepage of Webtoon, go ahead and tap on any Webtoon series you want to download. You can search for a specific Webtoon series by tapping the search icon and entering the name of the series, or you can also choose one from the homepage. After opening up one of the series or comics, go ahead and tap on the three dots at the top right corner and tap on the download button. On the next page, select the episode you'd like to download for offline viewing and then tap on the download button at the very bottom. Soon after you do that, your download should begin. Wait until the download is complete, and once it is done, you can go to My Downloads or Offline Reading from your profile or library, and you'll then be able to find the downloaded episode and read it without internet. So that is how you can easily download Webtoon comics in the Webtoon application quickly and easily. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.